It feels like a punch in the stomach. My heart's your relief. You just grip it and squeeze and it hurts. You just do as you please, though it hurts. Bear that in mind for me. I come when you call, I leave when he is due back around. Clear everything so he don't know. Got a heavy heart and a head to go. Sorry, you're impossible and I can't stand the things I know you're telling when I'm not around. Can you keep a secret? How do you think I feel? His followers are happy that I'm lying in your bed. Oh, how should I feel? And we spoke all night about magical ice cream pipe dream. Your way with words.
Oh, your way with words.
Mean I'll never get home. No, I'll never get home. Though I'm at your house, what we called our own, it will never be home.
Will we ever get home?
I'm thinking, wondering, asking myself why you're still at the door when I'm leaving. Lisa's got a problem on her hands. She don't know that I can stand, no I can't stand the things I know you're telling when I'm not around. Can you keep a secret? How do you think I feel? His followers are happy that I'm lying in your bed. Oh, how should I feel? And we spoke all night about magical ice cream pipe dreams. Trying to hold back, I feel so shallow. I'm trying to hold back, I feel so shallow. You can't let go of what you thought you had with me. You can't let go of everything that you have planned. And I can't stand things I know you're telling when I'm not around. Can you keep a secret? I feel his followers are happy that I'm lying in your bed. Oh, how should I feel? Can you keep a secret? 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 It feels like a punch in the stomach. My heart's your relief. You just grip it and squeeze and it hurts.